FEMA is ready to assist with any emergency needs of those in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina from Hurricane Idalia. Whether the storm has already passed for you or you are experiencing it now, we want everyone to be safe and follow directions from their local officials. Even as Tropical Storm Idalia moves offshore, there is still a risk of wind and flooding in the Carolinas. Remember to check on your neighbors, plan for power outages, and stay safe. There are a few steps you can take to make sure you are safe after a major hurricane. Do not walk or drive through flood water. The water may be contaminated by oil, gasoline, or raw sewage. It may also include dangerous wildlife. Be careful when cleaning up. We encourage everyone to wear protective clothing and please follow instructions on the cleaning products. Avoid downed power or utility lines. Stay away and report them immediately to your power or utility company. You can find more information on how to stay safe during and after the storm at ready.gov or listo.gov for information in Spanish. Staff and resources from across the federal government and from our voluntary and nonprofit partners are still ready to assist at the request of the states. FEMA continues committed in our service to making sure all people have the information and assistance they need to recover. Right now, there's a coordinated effort to restore power in areas affected by the storm. Our partners at the Salvation Army and the American Red Cross are assessing survivors' needs and are preparing to offer shelter and mass feeding.